Here's how to convert an Excel file to a PDF on your iPhone. Now, if you're on your iPhone and somebody maybe emailed you an Excel file, but you wanted to print it out in PDF format, or maybe just switch it to PDF so you can sign it, anything like that, I'll show you how to do it. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. Really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, the first thing we're going to do is I'm going to swipe over and open up the Files app. So let's search for the Files app. This is just the default Files app on your iPhone. And you can see on here, I can tap on my iPhone and Downloads. And here I have this sample Excel file. Now, I have two different options if I wanted to convert this to a PDF. The first option is just to tap on it. You can see here is the sample Excel file. Now, if I wanted to, I can also do this basically within the native app by just tapping on the share button at the very bottom left. And then what we're going to do is tap on print. But instead of actually printing it, we're essentially going to print this to PDF. You can see on here, I can switch it from portrait mode to landscape mode. I can change the scaling if I wanted the scaling to be a bit different. I can adjust all of those different things. I can choose color or not color. Now, when I'm ready, I'm going to tap on the share button again at the very top right, not print, but the share button. Now that I've done that, you can see at the very top left, it says file example, but right under there, it says PDF document. So this is automatically switched this to a PDF. And now all I have to do is hit save to files, and I can hit save and essentially hit done here. And now you'll be able to see here is the Excel version of it, but there is the PDF version of the exact same Excel file. From there, I can email it, I can print it, I can sign it if you need to sign it, anything like that. You can do it all in here. Now, keep in mind, you can also just go into the App Store if you wanted to and download the Microsoft Excel app on there. And then from there, just hit save as or export it as a PDF. But you can also just do it as I just walked you through with all of the native apps on your iPhone. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button down below and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks, guys.